Solve by any method the equation 12 is equal to the quantity 2n plus 1 squared plus the quantity 2n plus 1. Let's start by subtracting this 12 from both sides, writing the equation as 0 is equal to 2n plus 1 quantity squared plus the quantity 2n plus 1 minus 12. Now, let's notice that this equation is of quadratic form or quadratic type. It's got a quantity squared plus that same quantity to the first power and minus a number term by itself. Let's solve this using a substitution. Let u equal this middle quantity, the 2n plus 1. Therefore, u squared is equal to 2n plus 1 quantity squared, this first term. Now let's substitute. So our equation then reads as 0 is equal to u squared plus u minus 12. And here we see this in a more precise quadratic form. Let's solve this by factoring. This factors as the product of binomials where first terms are both u. Factors of negative 12 that sum to 1 are a plus 4 and minus 3. The zero factor property gives u plus 4 is 0 or u minus 3 is 0. So u is equal to negative 4 or u is equal to 3. Now we're not done. We've got to substitute back. U is equal to 2n plus 1. So substitute back. Now we want to solve for n. In this first linear equation here, 2n is equal to a negative 5, or n is negative 5 halves. With our second linear equation, subtract that 1 over, so 2n is equal to 2, or n takes on the value of 1. You want to go ahead and check these in your original equation. You'll get a true statement for both. Therefore, the solution set includes both of these, the negative 5 halves and positive 1.